Good day, good day. It's your boy Betty at your man Markel Prines, Mr. RVA.com. And this video right here, this is going to be short and sweet. Now, recently I just purchased a new laptop. Now, when I purchased the laptop and got everything set up, I thought to myself, all the information from my old laptop, should I restore onto this one or should I keep it on a clean slate? So I decided to keep it on a clean slate. And what that actually made me think further about is, if I was a beginner affiliate marketer and I just started out my business and I just got a new laptop, so I have nothing. I know nothing about affiliate marketing. I don't know what to do. And I'm just opening up my laptop for the first time. What would I actually do? Stay tuned to the end of this video. I'll tell you exactly what you need to do. Not only exactly what you need to do, but what you need to actually do to become profitable and start making money on a daily basis with your new affiliate marketing business. So let me switch on over to the desktop view so you can see exactly what I would do.
Welcome back to the Hustler's Secret Success System. Today we want to invite you to unlock your digital marketing potential by exploring our blog today. There you will learn all the needed skills to become successful, like the basics of digital marketing while exploring different career paths and a lot more. Get started on your digital marketing journey today by clicking the link in the description or sending us a DM to learn more. In the words of our CEO, skills pay bills, did you some?